Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very special day. I am going to be doing a double unboxing of the Ivy box plus a special item I am going to show you. It is not from the Ivy Storehouse. It is actually from another website. So if you're interested in what the website is, you can always leave a comment below and I will share that information with you. So the reason I am doing a double unboxing of the Ivy box, I am in the process of moving. So they kind of doubled up. Plus, there was a delay in shipping with the Ivy box. So it came weeks late. Literally, these boxes came within 2 weeks of each other. So I said, I'm just gonna wait, do them together, give my viewers something special. You don't have to watch 2 videos, you just have to watch one. So keep in mind at the end or somewhere within this video, I am gonna add a very special item just that I think you will love. It is so comfortable, but we'll get to that later. Let's jump into the first Ivy box. So I'm always excited when it is Ivy box time. So I am going to go ahead and unbox. I'm not at home, as you can see from my previous videos. I'm in a different setting, but let's go. Yeah. So sometimes they send different boxes. I always like this one. I don't know why, it's just so fancy. Sometimes it's just a regular pink box, but let's open it together. Keep in mind, I have no idea what's in this box. Each month they send something new and you get to find out what it is when you open the box. I am a part of a few Facebook groups, but I try to make sure I do not go until I see what's in this box. So let's do the surprise together. Okay, so this looks like some type of frame. Let's start with that, or a picture I should say. And it says Herstory Matters. So let's check it out, see what it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So it looks like this is a picture with all different famous women of Kappa Alpha Sororoty Incorporated. It has, let's see, Yolanda Adams, Katherine Johnson, and each of them have a quote. So maybe I'll go into detail a little bit later or in a separate video, because there's so many names, so many wonderful quotes. Put it closer so you can see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a separate video just with these different quotes. Felicia Rashad, you know, she's from the Cosby Show, and we'll go through this in a separate video. So be sure to like and subscribe just to see what they say in detail. But this is really nice. Okay, let's move on. So they have this all wrapped up. Nice gift paper. So let's rip that on right off. Ooh. So this is just She's Your Queen. And it just pretty much tells what's in the Ivy box, but I'm not gonna read it because I like to be surprised. All right, okay, so a pen that says 1908 with this matching, I'm not sure what it is, but this matches the pen. So let's see what it is. Okay, this is a short box. Nothing else inside. Let's check it out. What is this, guys? I have no idea. It feels fake. I think it's a shirt. Maybe a dashiki? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, this is long. Oh, yeah, it is. I was right. So let me stand up so you guys can see this. Oh, it's like some kind of jacket. Let me just put this on for you guys. Okay, so I think this is a jacket. It don't have any pockets. Oh, it do have pockets. Okay, it has pockets. I guess this is like a jacket. Oh, look, it has AKA right here. Check that out. Let me go ahead and read this card so I can know what this is. All right. Oh, it's a kimono. So, AKA African print kimono, a herstory, maker's fine art lithograph by Leroy Campbell, and then a 1908 African print lapel pin. Okay, so that's what that is. So I'm gonna model it one more time. Okay, my kimono. Put the pockets. I'm gonna leave it on while I do the next box. Put this away and start on the next box. Here we go. So let's see what this box is about. Okay, no pictures. Oh. So that says 20 Pearls. Oh, narrated by Felicia Rashad. So if you don't know, they came out with a documentary movie called 20 Pearls. And you can find it on the AKA website if you go to aka1908.com. It is a link where you can actually view the video, and it's just a history of Kappa Alpha Sororoty Incorporated. So go ahead and watch it. I haven't gotten a chance to watch it yet, but I am going to go and watch it today. Ooh, I think I like this already. I think this is a sweater. I think it's a sweater, but I'm not sure, so let's open it up. I see the ivy leaf already, so it's really thick. That's how thick it is, so that's why I'm guessing it's a sweater. Let's go ahead. Ooh, this is heavy. This might be a blanket. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, I know what this is. All right, let me transform. So it's one of these things. Okay, so you kind of just put it over you when you're kind of cold, but you want to be cute. And check this out. It has a hood. Yes. Watch me work. Okay, so this is perfect. I love this one and it feels so good. So I saw something else in the box as well. So let's check out what's in the box. It's like a small piece of jewelry or something. You know, we love us some jewelry. All right. So little Ivy Box jewelry holder bag, and oh, check it out. I think it's a bracelet with a pearl on the front. Okay, oh, and it opens like this. See? So let me put it on. Check check it out. Okay. Nice. They didn't do too bad. I will say one thing. They did raise prices of the box. Now boxes are almost like $50 after shipping and handling, and I'm considering, like, each month I'm like, I think I'm gonna cancel and then wait to see if it's something that I want, and if it's something I want, I'll just buy it. But I really love the aspect of surprise. So now on to the next thing. I know I promised you a special bonus item that I was going to show, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So, drum roll please. This is an Kappa Alpha skirt. It has AKA on the front, and check this out. Is that not cute? Or is that not cute? It is stretchy material, perfect to wear in the springtime. Pattern on the front and the back. The AKA is only in the front though. So this is something that I can see myself wearing. You can dress it up, you could dress it up, you could dress it down, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on just so you can see what it looks like, and I will be right back. Okay, now check this skirt out. Check it out. It's so comfortable. I just have on a basic tee. Even if I wanted to wear it with this basic tee, throw some heels on, I can go on a brunch, or if I just wanted to throw some sandals on, make it a casual day, I could also do that as well. So I just wanted to show you this extra item. It is everything. The AKA on the front. Stretchy material, so all sizes can wear it, right? So that's pretty much it for the skirt. So this month's Ivy box wasn't my favorite. I'm still on the fence about the kimono. I don't see myself really wearing it too much, so but maybe I don't know. That's one I'm on the fence about. Maybe if I get the right outfit, or I mean, I could see myself wearing it to an AKA event, but outside of that I don't. Or maybe like if I'm going to like an African type of event, you know, where they want us to wear African patterns, maybe I'll wear it there. So I'm gonna keep it, but that is something I definitely would not wear often. So the second item it's called an AKA Ivy Leaf hooded cape. Oh, it said it came with some pearl earrings and a pearl and brass bracelet. So I must have missed the earrings. Let me check my box again. That's why it's so good that they have what's in the box, just in case you miss anything. So, JK, I got my earrings. Here are the earrings. I'm like, I didn't get any earrings. What are you talking about? I was about to go ahead and give them a call. So small, I must have dropped it. So, let's go ahead and rip this baby open. I'm so glad I read it, because I totally would have probably saw this piece of paper and threw it away with thinking it was garbage. Okay, so here are the pearl earrings. Right here. Okay, so all right, so thank you for joining me for my 2 Ivy box openings. Like I said, I'm not the most excited about these 2 boxes. I can see myself wearing the kimono maybe to AKA events, or like if it's an event I have to go to where we need African print, African attire, I'll definitely wear the pink and green kimono with that African print. And then that sweater with the cape, that's something I'll probably wear to church, or just some kind of casual or a little bit more casual event. So thank you for viewing my video. I got an email that my next Ivy box is actually on the way. It should be here in about 2 or 3 days. So just be sure to like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, because next week I will be posting another video. Also, I am in the process of moving, but once I get stable and into my new home in Georgia, I'm moving from California to Georgia, as I shared, I will actually do an AKA haul, because I have so much AKA items that did not come from the Ivy box. I really want to share them with you all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, because I have so many wonderful things coming your way and you don't want to miss it. Have a great day. Deuces.